Welcome to the Diagnosis, Problems, and Impressions section in MasterCare Plus. This area uses ICD-10 coding to ensure accuracy and consistency across the system. On the screen, you can see some of Jenny's existing diagnoses, problems, and impressions. Some are marked as current, while others are listed as non-current, or you can choose to display all of them together. To add a new diagnosis, first select the category and then begin typing at least 3 letters. The system will present you with options and you simply select the correct diagnosis using the ICD-10 code. Once selected, you can record the severity, the category, the verification status, along with any comments, who reported it, and the current status of that diagnosis. When you're ready, press Save and Exit, and the new diagnosis will be recorded in the system. If needed, you can also mark a diagnosis as non-current. When doing this, the system will prompt you to specify both the reason and the date so there is a clear clinical record of when and why it changed. Now let's move on to the Problems section. Click on Add Problem to begin. You can enter a minimum of 3 characters to display options, similar to the diagnosis search. Once the problem is selected, you can add a category, choose the severity, verification status, and onset date. You may also include notes about the problem, along with the date and the name of the person who reported it. Once all details are complete, select the problem status, then click Save. The new record will then appear under the Problems section. If a problem is marked as non-current, the system will prompt you to provide both the reason and the date, ensuring a clear and traceable record of the change. Now here's the Impression section. Similar to the previous sections, content can be marked as current or non-current. Click on Add Impression and type a minimum of 3 characters to display the available data. Select the corresponding findings, then choose the severity, add any notes if needed, and specify the date and the person who reported the impression. Lastly, select the impression status and click Save once you are satisfied. When marking an impression as non-current, the system will also prompt you to add the reason and the date to maintain a complete clinical record. Diagnoses, problems, and impressions are not limited to this screen. They can be pulled into reports, discharge summaries, and other areas of MasterCare Plus, making sure information flows through the system seamlessly. Together, these sections make MasterCare Plus a powerful and reliable tool for recording and managing a client or patient's health history. To learn more about MasterCare Plus, check out our other training videos. Thanks for watching.